How to add cash payment on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how to add cash payment on Uber Eats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start by opening the Uber Eats application. Once you are here on this homepage of Uber Eats, click on that bottom right corner which says account. From the three different options, click on the second one, wallet. Again, click on add payment method option. As you can see, there isn't any option for the cash payment currently. So what happens is some areas or some places of the country may not support the cash payment option. So if you aren't under that restricted areas, you may will be able to add the cash payment on Uber Eats. Now what you can do other way is go back, and here you will see that option of Uber Cash. So you can just use that instead of cash payment. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.